traders? It's Friday, June 10th. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. And guys, what I've got for you today is one of the reasons why great levels may not work out. It happens all the time. And I don't only show you guys this on these teachable moments, but I also interact with some of our traders. And so what we have here that I'm looking at is I'm looking at a Thursday level that is kind of like a rally, a 4-hour. You can see we're on a 4-hour chart here. Is a rally base drop base rally. Big strong move out of that breaches previous highs. A very, very solid looking level. When I look at recent price, however, I can see that we are every time that we every time that we rally, we are failing to make new highs here. And on each one of these rallies since the most recent, we are unable to breach above 60 on the RSI, which is indicative of a lack of strength in the market. And not only that, but down here on Tuesday, we were able to create a new low that was right at 40 on the RSI. So as price comes up and it breaches this area, I'm looking at this and price comes in at about a 32 or 33 on the RSI. So I'm going to show you guys a text message series of one of our traders here at Trading Price that has been with us for a really, really long time. And I kind of want to show you what the methodology was when he texted me, because he took this trade yesterday evening. And he mentioned that he only took 2 contracts because of the RSI. So I kind of want to go through that with you. So, and guys, I blocked out his name just for privacy purposes. But he texted me, and I didn't get back to him until this morning at, you can see 4:50 in the morning. And I said, it's a solid looking level. If you took 2, remember you're trading a 4-hour chart. So say you got in at 12,264. Which would be where the level was created, right? 12,264. Okay, he's been with Trading Price for quite a long time. He knows how to wrap lines. He knows where levels work. He knows where price is most likely to turn. So that assumption was made that he took it at 12,264. T1 has to be at 12,402, which would mean that you move your stop to break even at 12,333. Which is where current price was at 455, at halfway to target. T2 would be up around 12,500. This is a sideways market leaning down, and your RSI is below 40 as we enter the level. Do not make the mistake of using a 4-hour level for trades, making silly decisions on a 5-minute. If you're going to be a 4-hour trader, you need to let the market play out, and now you've got yourself a free trade. Nicely done. Rules are rules. And I guess he didn't get that for a bit, because I got a response at about 8:30 in the morning saying, yes, sir, those are exactly where my targets were. And we talked a lot about how to place targets when we're in a sideways market, when we don't have those things going for us. And I was on the road taking my son to school, and I got these. I'm glad I moved my stop up. And like I said, rules is rules. It's a super high quality trade. Change the mind to start thinking about trading as reducing risk and letting the market do as it does. And not so much about how much can I make and it'll change your life. You'll actually make money with that mindset. And I go on to say I score that level at 13.5 out of 15, which is a very high score. I see a sideways trend that's broken down. RSI is at 32 and no other stacking the odds studies. That's why we move targets and stops the way we do. Great levels without our stacking the odds studies are less great. And guys, that's exactly what happened here. Okay? So, price came into the level very nicely. We have a very good high quality level. And he followed the rules exactly. I have some notes here about how I scored the level. I've got the trend sideways, but it's recently broken down. RSI is at 32, that's a negative, and we have no other stacking the odds studies going for us. The only thing we have going for us in this trade is a great level. And great levels are great. until we don't have anything else going in our favor. So I'm not surprised that we caught a bounce here. And I'm also not surprised that the level was breached, because we don't have any other stacking the odds studies going for us. Now, he did not lose any money on this trade because he followed the rules that he learned inside of Trading Price and inside of our 8-week futures accelerator, which was once we get halfway to our target in this type of market with these types of conditions where we are in a sideways market, RSI is not in our favor, we have no other stacking the odds studies going for us, we have to abide by the rules. So once we get halfway to T1, he moved his 2 stops up to here, and boom, he broke even on the trade. And guys, it just goes to show again that trading is not about how much money you can make. It's about taking trades that you can reduce risk from almost immediately. Now, immediately is relative, right? This is a 4-hour chart. So he was not able to reduce risk for about 5 hours until price hit his T1 and he was able to move it up here. But he knew where to place his targets, he knew what the rules were, and he didn't lose money on the trade. That's why I said it's a high quality trade. You only took 2 contracts, which probably fit his account size for what he was willing to risk on that trade, considering the level and non-stacking the odds studies. And you can see that he confirmed everything that I said. So guys, with that, I just want to, I want to implore how important it is to have rules in trading and how reducing risk in your trading is a better mindset than how much money can I make. All right, guys, with that, take it easy. I hope you have a great Friday. I hope you have a profitable week, and we'll roll into next week. And as always, guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on Facebook. Check us out at tradingprice.com. And if you're interested in learning more about how we trade profitably and how we reduce risk, find us at tradingprice.com and check out our accelerator program. All right, guys, take it easy.